Ang crunchy Singkamas, kaya bang maging cool and crisp Singkamas juice? With the Condura Juicer, kayang-kaya! We only need 3 ingredients. First, ang Singkamas. Low in calories but high in fiber and water content, so it's good for digestion and great for hydration. Second, optional lang to. Juice from 1 to 3 pieces of calamansi for a little kick and some vitamin C. And third, 2 tablespoons of honey for a little sweetness and lots of antioxidants. 3 steps lang din to. Step 1, peel the Singkamas and chop into pieces. Step 2, put the chopped Singkamas into the juicer. Kahit ang tigas ng Singkamas, madaling na e-extract ang juice with the Condura Juicer. Step 3, mix in the honey and the calamansi into the Singkamas juice. And you're done! Staying hydrated with this cool and crisp Singkamas juice? Kayang-kaya with the Condura Juicer!